Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable email notifications on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this more button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the more section and click on settings down below. Tap on email notifications, which is the first option. Tap on receive emails from Yelp. Click on the off button on the right side. And here you can apply additional features such as getting email updates about friend requests, new followers, compliments and direct messages, content your friends share with you, messages from business owners, status of your business info, edits, contributions and other options. If you would like to enable or disable any of these functions, just simply tap on the on and off buttons on the right side of the screen so that this section will be updated automatically. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.